Hi, my friends. It's time to do our last 2 sight words of the whole school year. Get your flashcards and your paper ready and your pencil, and let's get to work. Our first new sight word this week is the sight word come. It talks about going to a place, like if you want to come to the store. And to spell our sight word come, it's C-O-M-E, come. Our other new sight word is the sight word does. And it's spelled D-O-E-S. And we can use it when we're asking a question like, does he want to come? We're going to use these 2 new sight words in our journal writing sentence for this week. We're going to write, does he want to come to the, and then you can make up a word. I'm going to use the word park because that's a place that I would like to go to. And when you're writing your journal sentence, you can choose to do he or she. It's up to you. You know how to spell both of those sight words. So I'm going to first start with our sight word does. And it's at the beginning of my sentence though, so I don't use a lowercase d. I need to use an uppercase D. Does is spelled D-O-E-S. Then I'm going to leave a space, and this is where you get to pick if you want to do he, which is spelled H-E, or you want to use she, which is spelled S-H-E. I think I'll do he. Does he, H-E. Does he, I'm going to leave another space, and we need our sight word want. To spell our sight word want, we use W-A-N-T. Does he want, leave a space, we need our sight word to, T-O. Does he want to come? That's our new sight word. To spell our new sight word come, we need a C-O-M-E. Does he want to come? Leave a space. Write our sight word to again. Does he want to come to, space, our sight word the, T-H-E. The, and then I'm going to leave a space and I'm going to write the word park because I like to go to the park to play. To spell the word park, it's P-A-R-K. I kind of ran out of room, but that's okay. Now let's look at this sentence. Does he want to come to the park? This is asking a question, so I need to use a question mark at the end of this sentence. So let's check our work. Did we use an uppercase letter at the beginning? Yes, we did. Did we use an end mark at the end of the sentence? Yes, we did. Did we leave spaces in between our words? We did. And does our sentence make sense? Let's read it. Does he want to come to the park? It makes sense to me. So you're going to take your 2 new flashcards and make sure you're practicing spelling them and reading them. C-O-M-E spells come, and D-O-E-S spells does. And these cards are number 39 and 40. Remember I told you we'd be learning 40 sight words? So now your whole stack of cards, if you counted them all up, you should have 40 of them. And you should continue practicing spelling them and reading them all summer so that when you get to 1st grade next year, you're going to be ready to use all 40 of those sight words in your reading and your writing. Good job, friends.